Welcome to Online Ringman. Joining this platform is simple. Just click on the green button at the top of this page that says Sign up for free. On the next page, you will be given the option to register as a dealer with auction access, a dealer with dealership details, or a public bidder. When registering with an auction access ID, please make sure to provide Online Ringman with the exact email on file with auction access. When all fields are completed and you click the Register button, you will receive an activation email. The email will be generated from a no-reply email account. Open your confirmation email and click on the blue hyperlink that says Activate your account. Your new account with Online Ringman is now active. The hyperlink will return you to onlineringman.com. You may now log in with the email and password you created. For credit and approval, please contact the auction you wish to attend. For more support resources, click the Help link at the bottom of the page. Thank you for registering on Online Ringman.